How to use a filter on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can use a filter on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use a filter on TikTok, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the TikTok application. Once you launch the TikTok app, you're going to see this type of interface where you need to tap the plus icon right over here, and then you simply want to go ahead and then actually make sure to upload your video or such as anything as such. You can also choose to record it as you would be able to find it. Once you record it, let's say you want to apply some filters to it. To do so, first of all, just check this and save the changes. And then once you've done that, what you want to do is, let's say I'm just going to select upload option, and then I'm going to select a video option, and then I'm going to select a random video here. Once I've done this, what I want to do is, in order to apply a filter to this, I just need to go ahead and then just tap the filters option on the right hand side over here. Once I tap on filters option, here I'll be able to see all the different sorts of filters. Once I decide on using them, I can just go ahead and select them, tap the save changes option, and my changes will be successfully saved. This way you can go ahead and then basically apply filter or use filter on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.